a pencil case covered with Christmas snow, a candy cane pen, a glue stick that looks like a Christmas tree, and an eraser shaped like a snowflake? Watch a festive masquerade of school supplies in our new video. The girls are in a Christmas mood. They decorated the classroom and prepared a gift for their favorite teacher. Add water to dry white clay. Stir it to get a thick, creamy consistency. Divide the clay into parts and color every part with gouache paint. Pour the mixture into a Christmas silicone mold. Take the figures out when the clay dries and put them into a gift box. Miss Elizabeth finds a gift on her desk. These are Christmas chalks for the blackboard. How cute is that? Miss Elizabeth knows who her secret Santa is. Here she is, sitting at the first desk, together with her loyal deer. These are her favorite students. Miss Elizabeth wants to express her gratitude to the students, but she just can't come up with a gift idea. An old Christmas tree? Last year's lamb? A present from her secret admirer? Nothing's quite right. And a bottle of glue is very handy. I made my decision. That's a useful and necessary present. Well, well, the girls asked Santa for a gift a little better than this. It needs some Christmas decoration right now. Fold a green foam rubber sheet in half. Draw a spruce tree and cut it out. Make 2 identical pieces. Attach them to both sides of a stationery glue tube. Hot glue the sides. Decorate the tree with colorful pom-poms as a garland. Redhead easily puts a Christmas suit onto a regular tube of glue. Now this Christmas glue can decorate any desk. Let's add some holiday vibes to a notebook. Miss Elizabeth decides to keep up with her students and makes her own collection of Christmas school supplies. Let's start with a blackboard eraser. Coat a round eraser for a magnetic blackboard with white acrylic paint. Draw a snowman face using a pencil and color it with acrylic paints. Add a smile and eyes with black paint and an orange carrot nose. Use brown paint to add details and make it more dimensional. Paint dimples on the cheeks. Miss Elizabeth easily turned a regular eraser into a cute snowman. Plus, she came up with a way to conjure some snow. A bit of white chalk, and a snowstorm flies right onto the girls. Well, Miss Elizabeth could totally work in the Ministry of Weather. Redhead is enjoying her candy cane. Jessica also wants one. Christmas is time for good deeds. That's why Redhead made a candy cane for her friend, but it's not sweet at all. Shape white and red light clay into long rolls. Spirally wrap a pen with them. Roll it on a board to join the clay. Shape an arch so that it looks like a candy cane. Let it harden. Make a cut to let the pen open. Jessica's candy cane only looks like a candy. It's actually a Christmas pen. What an interesting present! Except that Jessica is still dreaming of a sweet candy cane. Redhead's Christmas sense of generosity wakes up. She gives her friend a real candy cane. Which one is better, a pen or a candy? It's up to Jessica to decide. Miss Elizabeth decides to amaze her students. She's created an amazing notebook with a whole sea of little penguins. Cut out a hollow inside the notebook. Glue the pages in a hardcover notebook. Use white glue. Trace a silhouette of a penguin on the cover using a template. Cut it out with a utility knife. Hot glue clear plastic underneath. Wrap the notebook in a white foam rubber sheet and cut out a penguin silhouette in it. Hot glue the soft foam rubber to the cover. Attach a foam rubber sheet with the penguin-shaped hole to the inside of the cover. Fold and hot glue the edges. Define the penguin outline using black acrylic paint. Decorate the cover with sparkly Christmas trees. Cut a box layout out of clear plastic. Be sure it fits the inside hole of the notebook. Fold up a box. Hot glue it to the hole. Draw a silhouette of a penguin on food plastic. Use a permanent marker. Cut out a few of them. Place them on parchment paper and keep them for 1.5 minutes in an oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This way plastic evenly shrinks and we get little penguins. Paint orange beaks. Paint the back white. Wait for the white layer to dry and cover it with black paint. Secure it with clear nail polish. Pour liquid slimes into the notebook. We've got light blue, white, and dark blue. Add snowflake-shaped glitter and put in the penguins. Miss Elizabeth proudly gives the winter notebook to her students. The girls love it because there are cute little penguins living inside. Here they are, swimming in their blue slime ocean. The girls decide to set them free. Living in slime must be a lot of fun, but it's way too slippery. The girls are happy to play with the cute penguins and their slime sea. Redhead has a whole stock of Christmas stuff. Even her eraser looks like a snowflake. Now that's what we call Christmas vibe. Coat a plastic snowflake mold with rich lotion. Fill it with glittering hot glue. Make 2 snowflakes. Attach them to each other. Smooth out the seam and fix the shape with the hot nozzle of a glue gun. Jessica tries to erase pencil marks with a snowflake. Wow! She nailed it! This little snowflake eraser is totally awesome. It definitely wins over a regular boring eraser in our Christmas battle. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Redhead is playing with her snowflake eraser. She wants to find new ways to use this little snowflake. Can it be a third eye or a new forehead accessory? Miss Elizabeth is not happy with her students' behavior. Redhead doesn't even react to her. Are her ears covered with snow or what? The teacher will have to use a snow pointer. Coat a glitter gel pen with a layer of hot glue. Dampen your fingers with cold water occasionally and fix the shape. Make the pen longer with a thick glue stick and hot glue to make it more 3D. And add some drippings. Make it look like an icicle. Color it with pearl acrylic paint. Apply white glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Her magical icicle pen quickly deals with the disobedient student. And where is Jess supposed to look for Redhead now? On the North Pole? Ugh! It's freezing cold! No way! Jessica thinks she should just behave, or the Snow Queen Elizabeth will turn her into an icicle. Jessica is having a beautiful dream. She and Miss Elizabeth are playing with a big glittering snowball in her dream. Color 2 plastic semi-spheres with white acrylic paint. Coat them with white glue on top and dip them into artificial snow. Join the semi-spheres with a strip of white felt. Hot glue 2 white zippers. Miss Elizabeth sees that Jessica is asleep. Well, let's wake this sleeping beauty up. The teacher aims the snowball at her. Oops! She hits the bullseye. The big snowball flies directly into Jessica. Wow! This is the snowball from her dream. It's as beautiful, white, and glittering in real life. There is something inside. Wow! That's actually a pencil case. Jessica opens up her snowball. There's a weird marker hiding inside under a pile of snow. Fill a syringe with bleach. Prick a marker tip and fill it with the bleach. Attach a felt snowflake to make a glittering self-adhesive foam rubber sheet. Wrap the body of the marker in it. Jessica overcomes the snowstorm and takes out her creative marker. This is a marker of the powers of light. It leaves white traces and covers dark markers. You can draw a whole snowfall with it. That's amazing! A snow white marker is a brilliant idea for creating snow landscapes. Did you like our Christmas school supplies? Then write in the comments which festive school supplies you will take to school. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new Christmas ideas on Troom.